Hi, I'm Rohan and I'm going to show you how to create extra bathroom storage. If your bathroom is tight or you're renting, this is a perfect way to increase your storage. First of all, I'm just going to measure out my space and figure out where I want to hang my rod. Take into account the width of your basket so you have enough room for your baskets to fit on. After you've measured out where exactly you would like to place your rod, the next step is to figure out where you want to drill your holes. So I'm just going to use my bracket and mark the holes that are on there. Right, now it's time to drill the holes. And you want your holes to be large enough for your folded toggles to pass through. Make sure that you drill all the way through the plaster in the wall. Right, I'm just going to cut my pole down to size. So I've measured mine down to 95 centimeters. It's as big as I need, but make sure when you're measuring yours, it fits in your space and you can fit as many baskets as you want. Cut your rod to a desired length with a saw. And sand any rough edges with some sandpaper. If there's no room to thread your rod through your brackets, put your brackets on your rod and then mount it to your wall. It's always good to do things in pairs, and I'm just going to get a mate to help me put this on the wall. When drilling into plaster and you want to put something on it like a painting or a picture frame and you can't find a stud in your wall, you can either use your handy wall mates or you can actually use your spring toggles. Your spring toggles are what we'll be using today to hang our bars, and they're pretty simple. You pop the wings in, through the hole, through the wall, and it sits just like that. This step is important because once your toggle has passed through the other side of your wall, it can be difficult to remove. Alrighty, the rod is up nicely, nice and secure. Now it's time to hang our baskets. We're just going to use these S-hooks, put them onto our rod, and that's how we'll hang our baskets. How easy was that? In just a few simple steps, we've created so much more storage in your bathroom.